I know you want to ask about Carlos Yulo. Wala naman akong personal na relasyon. I'd love to do an interview separately with the mother and with kahit si Chloe. I'm interested. Ngayon, na sobra ng toxic. I can only pray. I mean, totoo talaga na sana ngayon na maganda-ganda na ang buhay niyo, mag-usap. Maybe kailangan tumahimik muna. I had a chance actually, I'm saying this for the first time, I had a chance to speak with the mother. No, but what we know is what we read. I mean, how much of that is really real? Nag-post ang nanay, mabuhay ang Japan, sumagot ang anak, in bed, nandun si Chloe sa likod, hanggang nagparada, nandun ang tatay, andito ang tatay, hanggang the change of heart of the father, iba na ang tono ng mga post. Sasabihin ko na yun na walang pwedeng gawin ang nanay ko na hindi ko mapapatawad. Pero I would understand kasi I have the image na sobra ako makananay and I will not correct that. I will not apologize for that. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na lahat ng panahon, tama ang nanay. Were you inviting Carlos for fastball? Oo. We were. Napakahirap kasi kulang ako sa detalye.
Hindi updated.
No, but what we know is what we read. I mean, how much of that is really real? How much of that is... May mga reaksyon tayo kasi nababantayan ko rin, like all of you, napanood ko yung, lalo na yung umpisa. Nag-post ang nanay, yung mabuhay ang Japan, sumagot ang anak, in bed, nandun si Chloe sa likod. All that nakita ko hanggang yung mga sagutan. Hindi ko na alam kung anong totoo, anong hindi. Hanggang nagparada, nandun ang tatay, andito ang tatay, hanggang the change of heart of the father, iba na ang tono ng mga posts. So, katulad ng marami, I wanna know the truth, di ba? It's so hard to judge. It's so hard to judge because limitado yung aking facts. Ako, people would say, boy is not interested because makananay. Hindi naman. Oo, that's not fair. Makananay naman talaga ako. At naniniwala naman talaga ako. Pero napaka-personal nun. At sasabihin ko na yun na walang pwedeng gawin ang nanay ko na hindi ko mapapatawad. But that's me. And I will not impose that on anyone. Do I know the story of Carlos and the mom? I don't. Yung dynamics nila, yung bakit ganun, but even the brothers, the brother, the sister, iba yung pag-uusap nila. I can only pray. I mean, totoo talaga na sana ngayon na maganda-ganda na ang buhay niyo, mag-usap. I don't know, maybe kailangan tumahimik muna. And that's one of the reasons why I told din sila Rayleigh na hanggat maaari, huwag na muna tayo dumagdag sa ingay. Oo, huwag na.
Bakit po kaya sobrang involved ng mga Filipino sa mga ganitong topic?
Ay, emotional tayo, lalo nang this is a golden boy. This is a winner of 2 gold medals. And ito yung napapanood natin sa teleserye. Ito yung kwento ng buhay natin, relasyon ni Rizal at ang kanyang ina, relasyon natin sa ating mga ina, ang ibig sabihin ng ina at ng anak sa atin, ang halaga ng pamilya sa atin. So, ang ingredients ng kwento ni Carlos at ng kanyang ina ay lahat present doon. It's not just their story, it's a story of this country. No, that story is not copyrighted by Carlos and the mom. That's a story that we all know. That's a story that we all went through at one point in our lives. At one point, I'd love to be able to, do an interview with all of them. Siguro when tempers and are down. Sana.
Baka yung voice natin kung Carlos kinakabahan siya magpa-interview sa'yo.
Hindi ko alam. Pero I would understand kasi I have the image na sobra ako makananay and I will not correct that. I will not apologize for that. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na lahat ng panahon, tama ang nanay. I mean, that would be a disservice to what I do. Yung detalye na alam nyo is the detalye na alam natin, na alam ko. And I don't think the details that I know are enough to make me issue a judgment or wala, hindi ko masyadong kasi ang dami kong tanong anong trigger nung posting ng nanay? Ano ang trigger nung pagsagot ni Carlos na nandun si Chloe sa likod? Ano yung Di ba? Correct, nakita ko yun eh. ano yung sa taga, ano yung udyok yun? Ano yung nag-udyok sa kanila na maging publiko yung, at a time in their lives when so much has become better. Di ba? Yung ngayon pa, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit why do you have to go public with ibibenta namin ang bahay na ito kasi gusto namin isoli itong pera kay Carlos. I don't even know if it was true, but I saw it. Yung dynamics, di natin alam. I mean, to be fair to them, I don't know them. We don't know them. Pero ang judgment natin is based on limited information. Di natin alam eh. Sila ba yung tipong nag-aaway na after 2 months ang kakabate? Ano ba ang nakita ni Carlos sa mga magulang? Gaano ba talaga kakilala ng nanay at ng tatay yung kanilang anak? Ang dami eh. At saka ang discomfort ang gagaling doon sa bilangan na hindi, again, hindi tayo yun as a culture. As a culture. Parang, I don't know if it's bad or good, pero yung lahat ng napanalunan ko, napunta sa kanila. Lahat ng ganito. Ang isa naman, lahat ng deposit slip, meron akong pruweba. It has become an accounting problem. Which is, I think, totally unfair. And I'm not saying tama ang isa ha. I'm not.
Hindi po kaya ang public din ang nagmamagnify?
Oh, because you offered it to the public. I always take the side of the public in discussions like this. Kasi kung hindi mo in-offer, paano naman natin malalaman? I mean, it started, for example, tama ako ha, correct me if I'm wrong. It started with the post of the mother and people wondered why she was rooting for Japan. Ngayon, hindi naman natin alam anong nangyari sa Japanese coach and Carlos. I suspect may kinalaman. Siguro, may disgusto ang dami nating speculations doon, di ba? Pero doon nag-umpisa. Di ba? Ako doon ko unang nalaman na parang, why is the mother actually... I had a chance actually, I'm saying this for the first time, I had a chance to speak with the mother by accident. She was with a friend of mine. I have no liberty to reveal who he is, but she was with a friend. Tapos binigay ang telepono. So, binati ko lang, magandang hapon po, ma'am. Siya naman, magandang hapon, Tito Boy. O, sabi ko, yun lang. Kumusta? Mag-iingat po kayo. End of story. So, I had a 1-2 line conversation with Mrs. Yulo.
Kailan po?
When it was all
A week ago, maybe. Recent lang.
Bakit wala kayong next question?
Natatakot ako na limitado na naman. Kasi I have to sit down with Mrs. Yulo to be able to understand as an interviewer. And ngayon, nasobra ng toxic, nasobra ng masalimuot itong kwentong ito. Kung isa lang ang makakausap mo, you exacerbate the problem eh. Oo, you exacerbate. I would be pretentious to say I'm not interested to do an interview with both of them. I'd love to do an interview with both of them. Oo, yung agam-agam halimbawa ni Carlos na would I actually do an interview with Boy Abunda who is valid yun. But at the same time, hindi naman. Diba? Parang, but I'd love to do an interview separately with the mother and with kahit si Chloe. I'm interested. I'm really interested. Ano eh, teleserye material eh.
Yeah.
That's another reason why we're very interested. Kasi napapanood natin yun eh.